Hi everybody, so today I'm going to teach you guys how to paint a straight line without any bleed through, just using caulk and masking tape and of course paint. So I'm Jay, this is Jay's How-To channel. Let's get into the video right now. So I'm coming in with some regular masking tape. You can use blue tape, or you can use some yellow masking tape, or if you really want to use some frog tape, it's the green stuff that you can get from the hardware store. Frog tape makes an extra seal when moisture from the paint comes in contact with the adhesive, and it expands the adhesive. We have a knockdown textured wall and ceiling, so here I am pressing the masking tape to make a good seal. And then we're going to come in with some caulk right now. Make sure you use paintable caulk. You can use white caulk if you're painting a white ceiling, or if you have multicolored walls, you can use clear caulk. Now, I'm coming in with this caulk to add an additional seal. Clean this up with your finger, or you can come in with a damp cloth and clean up any excess caulk. Don't wipe it off too much, just leave a little bit of caulk behind to form a really good seal. I just realized I'm saying caulk a lot. Okay, don't let the caulk dry too much. It takes about 10 or 15 minutes for the caulk to dry or set. If it sets, it will cause the masking tape to tear. All right, so here I am painting and speeding this up for you guys. It probably took me about 5 minutes to paint this. No sense in watching paint dry. Now I immediately peeled this tape off after painting. And look how clean this line is. It's absolutely perfect. Don't do too much caulking or masking tape at the same time. Maybe do 15 or 20 feet at a time. If the caulk sets, it will create a mess with the masking tape. Please click that like button for me if you enjoyed this video, and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks guys, appreciate you so much.